This video is basically from February to April of 2026 and our garden and our greenhouse.
Well, there's the Francis himself hanging out with his buddy. Yeah, you like to help, don't you?
It'd be great if you really could.
Yes, it would. You're just gonna be lazy and hang out?
The greenhouse is temperature controlled so we can get our seed starters going. We also have a high tunnel coming that we will assemble soon as well. So this is February right now. This is when we were able to get our greenhouse up. The delivery was delayed due to the snow, and we are loving our greenhouse. So right now we've been planting tons of seeds. We got 300 pepper plants in, 200 tomatoes, a ton of flowers and herbs. Soon we will get our high tunnel delivered and we'll assemble it. And soon we'll break ground and get plants actually in the ground. We start a lot of our vegetable seeds soon as well, and some will go directly into the ground without being in the greenhouse. This was a beautiful full moon. So Trevor is shoring this up with some stronger wood because it's very windy here in North Carolina, something that we weren't expecting. I mean, really windy, at least where we live. And we just want to shore it up with some real wood other than the thin cedar that it came with. It's already feeling a lot sturdier. We're going to bolt it down to the wood, and then we're also putting in stakes. Yeah, all this reinforcement looked good. Reinforcement wood. Go all the way around. I've had some gigs over the winter, and I'm also the featured musician for the Meadows and the Chateauvet wedding open venue that they had in March. And these are the flowers that I brought for my booth and then turned around and planted them in our home so we could have daffodils and tulips to enjoy.
Hello, Francis kitty. Well, the path is finished except for we have to get gravel to lay over the black landscape paper. But here's our official entrance now from our driveway to the front door. To encourage people to come to the front door instead of the back, because the front door has the proper entrance and entry, and the back hall does not. It's more like a mud room for all of our muddy boots. Who wants to see that? All right. Can't wait to get flowers in here and up on the patio. We have a blank spot here, which is going to be 2 rocking chairs right there. We've got our ice cream parlor, table and chair set. There's the crickety path. Wasn't too straight on my part, but oh well. And then we've got another little table there, but we want rocking chairs. Proper rocking chairs. Hi, Francis, honey. You having a good day? Yeah. Me too. It's nice out, huh? All right, and then my tulips I planted are out there. We dug that tree up, but we're gonna have to get more out and it'll be a flower bed. I got my lesson sign out there. All right, Trevor is planting our cedar tree. Chestnut. There's a big chestnut behind him, and they need a pollinator. They need at least a second tree. This property may have had the second tree because there's at least 1, 2, 3 trees that have been taken out. So one of them could have very well been the chestnut tree that helps pollinate that one. But now we're gonna put in a new one. We got 5 walnut trees back there, and now we'll have 2 chestnuts. And then we're also planting the other cherry trees today. Bare root cedar tree. Looks like the buds are starting to bud. Yeah, it looks like they're already starting to bud. Alright, I'm gonna have to hold the tree while he plants. Oh, Francis. Yeah. Oh, you're cute. Showing off, aren't you? Aw, Francis. The other cherry trees are already blooming out. Nice. Yeah.
Last fall, we planted 3 cherry trees, 7 raspberry bushes, 7 blackberry bushes, 2 elderberry bushes, and 9 blueberry bushes. We had also ordered 4 more cherry trees, and they just now came dormant and bare root. So we're finishing planting those today as well.
I just love the views out there, the mountains. Right there and over there. The video really doesn't do them justice. They're pretty big. They just don't show up very well in the video. Oh, trouble. All right. Gotta get rid of that pile. 3 cherry trees. And then we're gonna put one here. And where the stakes are. One here. One here. One here.
A little bit.
Thinking about a pumpkin patch right there on that brown dirt. Oh, one of your stakes fell over, Trevor. It's kind of pointing to where you had it, so I'll just leave it. Oh, Francis is on my lap.
Let's see how that gets. Bada bing.
I need to. It's a Bing cherry. Bada bing, bada bam.
Don't want it any deeper. Need some soil.
Oop, you're stuck on my ugly sweater.
He was stuck. Cute Francis goes everywhere we are. He loves to hang out with us. We got him neutered and all of his shots, so he's officially ours. I just don't know what we're gonna do when we go camping. He doesn't want to go in the litter box, so he has to be let outside like a dog, and loves to be outside, but also loves to be inside and just wants to be where we are. We have planted so many plants. We have so many more to go. Trevor is starting with the ones that take the longest time to germinate first, because once the freeze is over, we can plant right in the ground.
Here's some Pepper's trying to come up.
Nice. Oh yeah, they're coming up, the peppers. And more of the flowers. Oh, nice.
Beautiful sunset here at Horseshoe Gardens at Francisco, North Carolina.
All right, let's go check out your flowers and your herbs and your peppers and I can't wait. I cannot wait.
So about half the people in the Master Gardener class raise bees.
Raise bees.
Or I don't know if that's what it's called.
Bee farmers.
They're bee, yeah. Anyway. They do the bee scene.
They do the bee scene. Look at
So there's a lot
this.
around it, and there's several houses on the way there that say that they're bee people. I don't see a whole lot going on in that little area, but
Oh, the peppers are coming up.
which could take 3 weeks. So
Oh,
I'm
wow.
surprised to see
Oh,
them.
yeah, this is earlier than 3 weeks, Trevor.
Yeah.
The greenhouses, then, I think, is working better than the grow
Look at the
lights.
salvia.
Look at it. Just look at it. Look, our windows open.
There's rosemary coming
Just
up.
look
Thyme.
at it.
Oh, no thyme. And
Oh,
straw
yeah.
flower. That's
Straw
straw
flower. Look at it. Your peppers are coming up, baby.
It's amazing.
Yeah, there's a window
That's what I was
open
mostly
there.
worried about, because the temperature when we put them out here.
Mm-hmm. Right. You're used to grow lights, so this was all new to us.
Well, everybody says you need heat lamps
I don't think you need a heat lamp out here.
or heat mats, not lamps, but heat
Well, they don't live in North Carolina.
mats. Or well, I did it in Missouri too. I've never used a heat mat.
No. Well, you know. Oh,
And I've never had pepper diseases, so my whole pepper growing seems different than what you read about. Hopefully it'll continue that way. I don't want heat mats and I don't want pepper diseases. Oh, there it goes again. So they've been making X's all day and they're
Yep.
going that way.
yep,
It
I just
right
was
above
looking
me.
at them. The chemtrails are awful again.
I was just closing this baby, what,
Uh-huh.
30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
And same thing happened.
Yep.
Our property has a flowering white tree right here that we're looking at. We're not sure what kind it is. Our realtor said an apple. These blossoms right here. However, there were no apples on it last fall. In fact, last fall this tree looked dead. We may end up taking it out and actually planting 3 apple trees. There's Francis hanging out on the well house, the very place we saw him the very first night we arrived here. He was already attached to this house. I don't know if he got dumped behind or is just some stray from the neighbors behind us. All along the fence line, the tree line, there are some pretty wild dogwood here. The pretty dogwood flowers are out right now. Today is April. So it's been pretty to see how our property has changed through the seasons. And off in the distance is the Blue Ridge Mountains.
177 tomato plants. We meant for 200, but ran out of time. Mm-hmm.
Permanently done its thing yet.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Look.
Yeah, we need that to sell veg in.
You're right out here, right out there for our stand.
Right, might as well cover all
Yeah.
that so the sun doesn't scorch everything.
Mm-hmm. He likes his little carrier.
Huh.
He likes his little carrier. It's funny.